Okay, I'm just going to show you the park pilots or assisted parking on this SKODA Yeti. Now, normally when I do these videos, I always get a message saying I could have got in there with my eyes shut and stuff like that. So I've made it a bit tighter, and it is tight. I wouldn't like to do it even with parking sensors. So in drive, we switched the park pilot on. Park assist shows up on the screen here. Indicate left, start moving forward. At the moment there's 3 blocks there. It's picking it up, and with a bit of luck it's showing a space there, but it's telling me to keep going forward, and now it's saying select reverse. So I cover the brake, put it in reverse, and then don't touch anything. Here we go, without touching anything. I'm just covering the brake. Now it's telling me to put it in drive, go forward. Hopefully it's all showing me on the left how far I can go. So back in reverse, it's whipping the steering wheel round. And forward. Try and get out of the way. Reverse again, backwards, it's straightening up, park assist finished, please take over steering. And that is, I would say, quite a tight parking space, and one that not many people could get into. We'll just pretty good, I think you'll agree.